pepper, seasoning cube, and vegetable oil. So I'm using vegetable oil. So people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our blended beans. I will be making MoiMoi today. Although the beans did not really blend very well the way I would have loved it, and that is because my blender chose to be naughty. Anyway people, I blended these beans with garlic, ginger and pepper, and then I added red chili pepper, salt, seasoning cube and vegetable oil. So this is what we have at this point in time. I'm going to mix thoroughly. This texture is okay, but then if you want, you can just add a little bit of water. So I'll be adding a little bit of water to this texture. So just a little bit of water. So I added just a little bit of water. So this texture is very okay. Next, I will be pouring it into the paper cup. So I'm going to double the cup, so each MoiMoi cup is doubled. So people, here is our MoiMoi cup. Next I'll be adding vegetable oil into the cup. So the reason for the vegetable oil, just little oil, in order to make the MoiMoi not to stick to the cup. This is why I'm adding oil to the cup. I'm going to repeat this until I get round all the cup. This will help the MoiMoi not to stick to the cup. And here we are done adding vegetable oil. So next I'll be pouring the MoiMoi into the paper cup. And we are done putting all the MoiMoi into the paper cup. So people, here is the MoiMoi in the paper cup. We are done putting everything inside and it's time to cook the MoiMoi. So people, it is time to cook our MoiMoi. So I'm using this pot to cook and I added water to the pot. people, here is our MoiMoi in the pot. So inside the pot I have water and it is time to cook. So I make sure that the water is not so much high, you know, to cover the paper cup. No, otherwise the water will just pour into the MoiMoi. So the water is below half of the paper cup. Now I'm going to cover the pot and I'll start cooking. So now I'm going to turn on the heat. That's right. And it's time to cover the pot and start cooking our